I'll guide you through the complete process to run two separate WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone without using any risky third-party apps, starting with the new official multi-account feature. If you're ready, click the like button and let's get started. The new official multi-account feature ensures you have the latest software rollout. Open WhatsApp, then select Settings.
Tap the plus icon next to your profile name.
Select Add WhatsApp Account. Agree and continue. Enter your second separate phone number and tap Next. WhatsApp will send an OTP verification code by SMS or voice call. Use the code to verify the second account. You are now successfully logged in. Keep watching to learn how to switch between accounts. You can also use the WhatsApp Business app. Here's how. Download WhatsApp Business from the App Store. Open the app and tap Agree and Continue. Select the option to use a different number. Register and verify your second phone number via SMS OTP. Choose Not a Business during profile setup. Both apps now run independently. This guarantees you get separate simultaneous notifications for both numbers. You can also get temporary access via WhatsApp Web in Safari. Open Safari on your iPhone. Tap the AA icon in the address bar to open the browser menu. Select Request Desktop Website, which forces WhatsApp to load the QR code screen.
Open WhatsApp on your main phone and go to Settings, then tap Linked Devices. Scan the QR code displayed on the Safari screen. The account is now accessible in the Browser tab. To switch between both WhatsApp accounts on iPhone, go back to Settings, tap the profile icon or arrow, and simply tap the account you wish to switch to.
Remember, if your iPhone supports dual SIM or eSIM, the process for methods 1 and 2 is much easier because the phone can receive the OTP for both numbers instantly. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more iPhone video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.